No one wants to be basic, so here are 9 different ways to step up your mimosa game. Adding pineapple juice and grenadine makes for an extra sweet treat. It's okay to be a little salty. Adding tequila and some fresh lime make for a perfect fiesta-ready cocktail. Take a trip to the tropics with your favorite coconut rum, pineapple juice, and fruit punch. Add some bubblies and you'll think you're on the beach. Keep it simple with some grapefruit juice and champagne for the perfect mimosa. I mean, who doesn't love pink? Dripping caramel is never a bad idea. Add some apple juice with champagne and throw in a cinnamon stick for some extra spice. Muddle around some pineapple with juice and champagne and add fresh rosemary to tone down the sweetness for a fresh taste. It's a mimosa fit for a Greek goddess. Pomegranate juice and bubbly are all you need. Go ahead and treat yourself to a champagne float with sorbet on a hot day. Add some sweetness in your life with a birthday cake mimosa. Don't forget to add sprinkles. Which mimosa are you going to drink this weekend? Tell us below and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.